Hey, Attalla Elementary, fourth grade, and anybody else who's listening today. I wanted to kind of address a couple of things that maybe you have some questions on as far as at-home learning. The first thing is you can actually access your Clever from home. So just like you would at school, go to clever.com and log in with your Google information as far as your username and password is concerned. From Clever, you can go ahead and go on to AR. You can take your AR tests from home, read some books that you might have at home. If you don't have books at home, you can go to Epic. You can go to Storyline Online. All of that is accessible from your devices. If you did not pick up any packets, the information that I'm giving to you is all online resources. So hopefully you'll have some kind of resource to be able to get to that. The other thing I wanted you to know is you can access your IXL website from Clever as well. It automatically has your login with that. It is your same, Google login. And one more resource that I can give you is to go to your Google Classroom. On there, I have given you some assignments to do in IXL. They're specifically focused on fractions, since that's what we were learning when we left. But I also want you to focus on multiplication and division. When I looked at IXL today, this morning I got up and looked at it, I noticed that a lot of you guys had some incomplete sections in there, so I wanted to encourage you to do those sections as well. Look, I can't make you do any of this. None of this is mandatory, but I will tell you this, just like I tell you in the classroom, you're learning for the rest of your life. You're not learning it to take a test. You're not learning it for next year. You're learning it so that you have it for the rest of your life. You're going to have to add, subtract, multiply, divide, and use fractions in everyday life like we've talked about in the classroom. So why not do it now? We don't know when we're coming back. We do know that state testing is not going to happen. But again, you're doing this for your future and not doing it just because you want to pass the test, okay? I just wanted you to know that I love you and I miss you, even though you may not miss me. That's okay. But I am going to be doing another video and I'm going to be reading a story to you. Some of you may not have access to some books at home. So I went ahead and I've grabbed one of my other kids' books. It's called The Hatchet. And I'm going to read that to you in another video. So if you're interested in watching that and listening to it, it'll take several videos because this is a big chapter book. But once I'm done, you can take an AR test on it, okay? All right, I'll see you around.